One of the most painful things that can happen to you in your publishing journey on Amazon KDP is receiving these kinds of message, okay, where they tell you that your book cannot be accepted for publication because it might result in a disappointing customer experience. Or worse yet, you get this message saying we are terminating your account effective immediately because we have identified a content which you do not have necessary publishing right. So how do we overcome this Amazon KDP book blocking issue? Okay, this is painful because you have spent a lot of time working on a book. You have spent countless sleepless nights. Okay, you have stayed up formatting, designing your covers, even paying someone to help you format or even design your covers. And at the end of the day, after publishing, you get this message saying your work cannot be accepted because of disappointing customer experience. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at how your description, take note, we're going to look at how your description can cause a disappointing customer experience, and then we're going to look at how to craft a description using ChatGPT to enable us bypass this disappointing customer experience. So if you are interested and you would love to know how to craft a description, okay, that will fit into Amazon KDP's guideline, then stay to the end of this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you are notified whenever I drop more videos like this. So without much ado, let's get into the video. When you head over to the Amazon KDP description guideline, I'll be dropping this link in my book description. All right. When you head over to this guideline, you are going to see that they just updated their description. Okay, they just updated their description. If you take a look at it, you will see that many times what people don't know is your description can be one of the reasons why your book gets blocked on Amazon KDP. It can be as simple as that, just having an over-promising description. Okay, so we're going to look at how to craft a description that will fit into their guidelines, because as you can see, they said there are 3 things to check in your description. Your description must be simple. Aim for a 150 word paragraph with sentences that are easy to scan. Okay, your description should be so simple that when readers look at it, they are not confused. They may overwhelm or confuse a reader who is only taking a second to decide whether to find out more about your book or not. So they want you to keep your description so simple. It should be compelling. It should be professional. We don't have the time in this video to go through each of these. Avoiding overwhelming and confusing details will help make your description compelling, but also consider how to grab their attention. Okay, be professional about your description. Be professional about it. There should be no misspellings, no grammatical error. As negligible as this is, it can cause your book to get blocked on Amazon KDP. All right, so you are going to see the next thing is how to enter your book description. They are going to give us a lot of things to do, how to format the book description, formatted HTML, supported HTML in your description, blah blah blah. Another important thing we have to look at is book description restrictions. Okay, so what we want to do when you come here, this is how I craft my description on Amazon KDP to ensure that it does not cause a misleading customer experience in any way at all. So make sure you follow me step by step. So what I do first of all is I copy out all this, starting from here, how to write your book description. I'm going to copy it out down to the place where it says book description restrictions, and then I will stop. I want to copy this out. Make sure you're with me, please. I want to copy this out. All right, and then I'm going to take it to ChatGPT to help me analyze this. So follow the step. Okay, make sure you don't lose me in any way. I'm going to head over to ChatGPT now. So what I wanted to do is to analyze the the guideline for creating our description. So I'm going to start by sending it a greeting. Meanwhile, this is ChatGPT 4. This is premium version. I'm going to tell it I want you to help me analyze the new Amazon KDP description guideline. Okay, I'm going to tell it, I am going to give it to you now. I am going to give it to you now, and you would help me summarize and analyze it. So I'll ask it, can you do that? Can you do that? So it's going to tell me yes, I should provide it. So I'll paste the description to it and then allow it to do its job. Okay, meanwhile, while it's doing the job, okay, you can do this when you are finished working on your book. As you can see, for this video, the example I'm going to use is one of my cookbooks, okay, kidney detox. All right, so after it has analyzed the description guideline on Amazon KDP, I'm going to give it my book to also analyze it and then come up with a description that will fit this book based on the guideline that's analyzed. So that's just what I want to do. So if you need the prompt that I'm using in this video, then make sure you like this video. I'll be dropping the prompt when this my video gets up to 50 likes, just to show appreciation that you have gotten value from this. Just give the video a thumbs up. So when I get up to 50 likes, I'll be dropping the prompt I am using in this video to create this description, so that you can also use it, okay, and create a description that you know would not cause a misleading customer experience. All right, so let's just come back when it is done analyzing all the description guidelines. Welcome back. It has done all the analysis and summary of the the new KDP description guidelines. So I'm going to just tell it thank you. Okay, so I'm chatting with the application, the AI, as if I'm talking with a friend. All right, so I'm going to tell it now, I am going to give you my book to help me analyze. I intend to create a description for this book that won't violate the Amazon KDP description guideline. Can I provide you with a book? So I'm going to send this to ChatGPT. All right, so it has told me I can provide you with the book. So this is when I will not take the book which I'm done working on and then ask it to do the analysis. Okay, once it has loaded, I'm going to send ChatGPT the book. It's going to analyze the book. Okay. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. Then what I'm going to do next while it's loading is I will copy my description prompts. Okay, the prompt says, please generate a powerful Amazon book description sales page for this book. Begin with a compelling and captivating hook or opening sentence that immediately draws readers in. It should generate curiosity or intrigue about the book's content. Start with an attention-grabbing question as a hook. Okay, write the book summary, keep it concise and to the point. Avoid overly long paragraph and excessive details. Okay, so I'm going to copy this out while I wait for the book to load into ChatGPT. Then I'm going to paste it beneath it. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to send it, and then ChatGPT is going to analyze the book and then come up with a description that will fit into Amazon KDP's guideline. Okay, are you seeing it now? It's going to analyze my book and then craft a description for me. Okay, so with this now, when you upload this on Amazon, you are definitely not going to have any issues with your description. okay, you are not going to have any issues with your description, because it's going to give you a description that is easy to read, okay, a description that is easy to read, that is concise, that is all about what your book is. It even gives you a book summary, gives you how it will benefit the readers, and then gives you a call to action. So obviously you have to edit some of these things out. You have to edit some of these things out. You have to remove this call to action. You know, you have to remove certain things, go through it and edit what needs to leave and leave the ones that needs to be there. All right. So basically, if I'm going to use this description, I'm going to remove this book summary that is listed here for me. I'm going to remove it. Okay. I'm going to leave just the benefit for readers. Okay. How the book can boost their kidney health, how it's delicious and nutritious, how it's easy to follow, how it's a comprehensive guide and practical too. So when I copy this out now and I paste it somewhere, then I can now edit. I can now edit. I will remove the unnecessary things. Like I said, I will remove all this, then remove this book summary and just leave how it can benefit readers. Okay, remove the book summary and just leave how it can benefit the readers. This is what I'm going to do. Let me replace. Okay, so this is my description for my book. Are you ready to rejuvenate your kidney and boost your overall health with delicious, easy to prepare meals? Discover the power of nutrition with kidney detoxification diet book by your name. This comprehensive guide offers over 100 simple and delectable recipes specifically designed to support kidney health and detoxification. From energizing breakfast and hearty soup to vibrant salad and wholesome main courses, each recipe is crafted to nourish your kidneys and promote overall wellness. Are you seeing how easy and, based on the description guidelines on Amazon KDP, this thing fits into it? You don't have any issues. You won't have any issues with your description if you create your description using this method. You will not have any issues. Okay, so with this, now when you upload on Amazon, your book is good to go as regards your description. All right, so let me know what you think about this prompt and this way of creating a description using ChatGPT. All right, let me know what your take is. Comment below if there's anything you want to add, if there's anything you observed. Okay, let me know in the description or in the comment section. All right, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, all right, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you are notified whenever I drop more videos like this. And like I've said before, if you want the prompt used in this video, all you just have to do is make sure you like this video. As soon as I get up to 50 likes on this video, I'll be dropping the prompt for you in the comment section. So make sure you stay tuned. All right, I wish you success in your Amazon KDP publishing business.